guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'll be showing you how I achieved a curly tip knotless braids on my short natural fussy hair, being my first attempt. So as usual, I'm going to go ahead and spray my hair with some water and added some leave-in conditioner to just make the whole process easy and make my hair soft. After that, I'm going to pat down my hair. So I'm going to start from right behind my ears, as you can see me show you in this video. So I'm going to pat it down now, and I'm going to kind of secure the other one so that it doesn't intrude into others. And guys, don't mind my lines, even if they don't look straight, it's just to look at least moderately neat, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just going to start to weave, and I think it's a very good method that you pat down your hair, that way you can get a good pass for the braid. Now I'm patting the front part, and I will just weave it all down. Yeah, you can increase the numbers, you can make it more than mine, but this is just mine. I'm done patting my hair, and so I'm just going to weave this last part. So this took me about 5 to 10 minutes, and so this is what it looks like, guys. This is how my part is going to go, and these are my picked down braid extensions. And so this is my eco styling gel and shine and jam gel for my edges. And so I started off with my weave, and yeah, it's just important to put your styling gel, it just makes it neat. Now because it is knotless braids, I'm going to start with my own hair. Make sure it is secure. Let's start adding the braid extensions. I had about 6 altogether. Okay, so moving on to the tip of the hair, because I want the tip to be coily, I just decided to tie it with some parts of the hair just so that it is secure and it doesn't loosen out after a while, and that's what you can see me do. So guys, this is a strand. I feel like I like the size, and that's what I was trying to check. And so I'm going to go on with the second braid. It's equally the same process, but just to help you see how I achieved this. just to mention, because my hair is a natural hair and it is short, it is important that I use the styling gel a lot, so that the tip of my hair will synchronize into the attachment, or so that the tip of my hair will enter into the attachment. So because it's a box braid, there's a way it should look, it should intercept. So that is what I am doing. I'm trying to divide the interception for this layer, and that's what you can see me do before I went ahead to start from the front. The interception between layers is really very important. And so guys, I just went on and on like that. And guys, this frontal part, I wanted to let you see how I picked it, just for some persons who are thinking how would they pick the front braid. That is why I'm showing you how I am doing this. So I'll just mention that when I cut my extension, I made sure that the ones for the back is shorter than the ones for the front. So at this point, I already switched into using the frontal cut of my extension, and that's what I'm doing. So now to that back piece, one I parted down from the left side, and so the one that I have for the right side, so they both met at the middle, and that is what I'm trying to weave. So it's important that when you're doing a box braid, that you understand that the layers have to fall in as bricks and not be exactly on the same line. Yeah, and that is what I'm trying to do. Same process of adding attachment, and as you can see me do, I'm trying to add styling gel to the edges so that my hair can enter into the attachment, so that my weave can be as neat as possible. So at this point, now that I'm in front, I needed to be careful because it was looking like my two braid extensions were not going to be enough, and so I had to just braid them halfway so that I can attend to others. So at the end of the day, I used exactly the whole of the two pieces of braid extensions. So if you want to do this, I mean, as a first timer, to be on the safer side, you could just buy 3, just so that in case of necessity, you can have something to use. And so guys, finally we are at the last strand. I mean, you don't want to know the joy. Like, I was so joyful at last I did this. And so right now I went back into the braids I left and began to add others. So I would also mention that as I progressed to the very front part, I started adding more than 6 strands because I needed to meet up with the thickness and the length from the other hair. So like for the ones in front, I started adding about 9 strands of hair, but at intervals as the need arose. And so guys, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to finish up the last strand for my hair. And guys, this whole process was quite interesting. Actually, it's so interesting to make your hair. This is my first attempt and I love it. So at this point, I began to trim off my hair because yes, so that it can be neat. And from there, Guys, for my coils, I used some thread. I folded the thread into like 5, and I started to plait. So this process is very easy, just the way you see me do. Roll the threads over the hair and push right up, and you will see some folds. And so that's what I'm trying to achieve here. This is what it looks like. When it looks like this, you know you're getting it right. And now I'm just going to finish the threading and cool her head and put it inside some warm water. I love this part because it just is a finishing and it just makes everything look exceptional. So guys, yeah, I'm losing out my coils and I'm just trimming it off, adding some mousse just to secure the braids, and some oil emulsion to just make it sweet. And now to my edges. Can you see that? Can you see that color? And can you see the fluffiness? Can you see the boxes coming out well? You can pack this in whatever way you want. These are just my ways of revealing the beauty of this amazing braids, guys. I love it. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to like it. If you're going to replicate this style, let me know in the comment section. And so guys, it was nice filming this and showing you the whole process. Here's a close-up view, guys. Just look into the lines. You won't believe it. This is my first attempt. You can do this. I beg, let me do shakara small, guys. I'm so happy that I was able to pull this through. You can do the same, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.